Good morning, guys. Welcome to the voiceover vlogs number 2. My name is Taylor, and I'm the owner and dyer of Fiber for the People, and this is my YouTube channel. And this is a little series that I just started that just kind of chronicles a day in the life, sort of, with a calming, soothing aesthetic and just a voiceover. In this video today, I'm focusing a little bit on some time I'm spending with my boys, and then also this pair of simple house slippers by Temple of Knit. I'm knitting these in Fiber for the People yarn MCNDK. This is the Azure colorway. Right now I'm actually wrapping it up. I'm finishing the first slipper and cinching in the toe. I really enjoyed these. I love the way that they fit. They fit a little bit more like a sock, less like a slipper, and I think that's more my yarn choice. It's a very soft, slippery yarn. I think if I were to knit these again, I'd probably use something a little more rustic, maybe even hold yarn double for some stability. Today I'm taking the boys on a nature walk. We have an area really close to our home that has lots of wildlife and desert plants and beautiful kind of landscapes to walk in that's really close to home, and so we're gonna go explore a little and then stop by the playground before heading home. You're doing good. You're taking good pictures, sweetheart. Angus is almost 6. He turned 6 early February, and Ronan is 2.5 years old, and they both love being outside. It just makes my heart sing because I also too love to be outside. Up there.
All alone again tonight, but you don't seem to forget about yourself. Wondering how it could go so wrong, but you didn't call for help. But let me tell you about the trees and the seas, how it's all connected. Flowers and the birds and bees, then all the lights, yeah, we're all affected. Watching, pray, pray, pray. I'm breathing in. I'm breathing out. That's pouring into you. And so my friend, let me tell you once again, and you know that it's true. Forget about seeing it or hearing it, in the end you must feel. Forget about all you know, you need to go, it's okay to let go. Just let it go, go, go. Then you're breathing in. You're breathing out.
park where the boys are playing right now is actually right next to Angus's elementary school. And he's in kindergarten, and all of his school is virtual, so he's never stepped foot in his elementary school. But we bring him here often to let him know that that's his school and that's where his teacher is when she's teaching him. And yeah, hopefully that helps familiarize himself a little bit with it. But we look forward to the day that we can actually send him to school for the first time. Every once in a while, there's this golden hour that I have in my day where Ronan's napping and Angus is having some quiet time in his room, and I don't happen to have any work going on in the afternoon. This doesn't happen all that often, but when it does, it's a beautiful time for me to be able to have a quiet cup of coffee or tea and sit and enjoy the peace and the quiet and work on my knitting. And so that's exactly what I'm going to do today. And I'm going to do it with this beautiful, steaming hot cup of coffee.
Is that it's only going to use one piece of brown right here.
So what I'm doing here is making a really cute pom-pom to go on the top of my Simple House slippers. Again, I only have one finish, but I wanted to do this because not only do I think that house slippers with pom-poms are adorable, but also too there's this join at the top of the slipper, right at the top of the instep, that could use with a little reinforcement, nothing major, but I just thought it would add a little bit more structure, or I guess I should say stability. And so I'm going to create a little pom-pom to put right there to tie it off and tighten that little spot, and then also just to add a little bit of whimsy to my Simple House slippers. So I'm making a little pom-pom in one of my signature solid colorways called rattan. It's just a scrap bit of yarn that I have, and these little pom-poms are absolutely adorable. I feel like I could make a ton of these and just hang them all over my house. How cute is that? There's so many different ways that you could use these, and I love them. So here is one of the pair of Simple House slippers by Temple of Knit, and you guys, I absolutely love them. The color combination, the slipper itself, super adorable, super cozy. Now it's time to go ahead and finish number 2.